iRise Mzansi inyanzelisa ukuba kubekho irhafu yokubheja kuzwelonke njengoko uMzantsi Afrika ujongene nokwanda kweziganeko zokungena ematyaleni kwabantu ngokunxulumene nokubheja. Eli khwelo liza emva kweenkcukacha-manani zakutshanje ezidiza ukuba abemi bachithe imali engange-1.5 trillion rand kumaqonga okubheja a-online phakathi kuka-2024 no-2025. iRise Mzansi ithi ungabikho kwerhafu yokubheja kukhokhela uluntu kunqongophalo lwemali nasemngciphekweni wentlalontle.
Rise Mzansi continues to spearhead moves to implement the national online gambling tax and reforms to tackle South Africa's runaway gambling crisis. And to this effect, we are pleased that in the discussion document or in the budget review that the National Treasury tabled, the Minister of Finance tabled on Wednesday, the national online gambling tax is firmly on the agenda of National Treasury. And to this effect, we have submitted our proposals to Treasury that's going to look at how the revenue from the national online gambling tax is shared between provinces and national. And we are proposing to introduce a national floor limit to ensure that at the minimum, the provincial taxes are at least 8%, and that the licenses that are currently held by online bookmakers be converted to national licenses. And most importantly, we want the revenue that's generated from the national online gambling tax to be ring-fenced for social infrastructure, for awareness, for rehabilitation, and to ensure that the public of South Africa is warned around the dangers of gambling addiction. But this will be achieved also when we clamp down on unlicensed illegal operators, online operators that operate in our space.